I recently acquired a collection of US, Canadian, and Thaler silver coins. Unfortunately, some were tarnished and appeared less than ideal. One such example is the American silver eagle I purchased. It showed signs of tarnishing, giving it an unsightly appearance. These coins are primarily valued for their silver content and are considered bullion coins. With that in mind, I decided to enhance their appearance by using a coin brightener. I chose to use e-zest, a product known for effectively restoring the lustre of coins without damaging their intrinsic value. It's essential to note that I would never take such action with coins of uncertain value without seeking advice from experts in numismatics. Following the instructions on the e-zest container, I dipped the coins for a duration ranging between 5 to 15 seconds, then rinsed them in water. While the instructions didn't specify the exact duration or type of water for rinsing, I opted for a rinse lasting approximately 1 to 2 minutes, using clean water, followed by patting dry with individual, clean towels. The results were quite impressive. I observed that the brightener only removed surface tarnish, preserving the coin's original striking layer. However, I reiterate that this method is suitable only for coins with lower value and significant tarnish. For coins of potential higher value, I strongly advise researching and seeking guidance from reliable sources, such as forums like CoinHelpu, where experienced collectors willingly assist newcomers like myself. I hope this insight proves helpful to others navigating similar challenges in coin care and restoration. I welcome any feedback or insights, positive or constructive, as I continue to learn and grow in this hobby. I hope this helps.